Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Ensure your server runs the Laravel-supported PHP version and your web server configuration is reachable. Next, set permissions so storage and bootstrap/cache are writable by the web user. This prevents runtime denials. Once done, open env and confirm app URL, app-env, and app debug, wrong environment, or URL can mask errors as 403. Make these checks now, so the following routing and server fixes reveal their effects clearly. Now you focus on server and Laravel routing. First, confirm your virtual host or site config points document root to your project's public folder and that index. PHP is served. Wrong root produces a 403. Next, review. htaccess or nginx location blocks for deny rules. Remove any accidental deny or auth directives. Then examine route middleware and CSRF, token handling. Middleware gates can return 403 if misconfigured. Make changes, reload the server. Finish by clearing Laravel caches so config or route changes apply immediately. Run config, cache, route, cache, view, clear and cache, clear. Then restart Apache/nginx and PHP-FPM to pick up server-side edits. Tail storage/logs/Laravel. Log in your web server error log to see precise rejection reasons. If a 403 persists, temporarily set app debug equals true to reveal the blocking middleware or auth failure. Then revert it. A key troubleshooting tip: check file ownership. Web user ownership mismatch is a common silent cause of 403 errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.